Hey everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the offer on how you can get a Shopify trial for 90 days. So at the moment, you can secure one of Shopify's extended free trials in order to build out a full-scale online store almost entirely risk-free. Now, all users are granted a free trial for 3 days when accessing Shopify.com and then creating an account. When you land on the homepage, hit the Start Free Trial button, and then you'll be prompted to answer a few questions, which helps Shopify set up your store properly. If you don't want to answer the survey, you can simply hit the Skip All button and then move to create your account. You will then submit your personal email address and a few other information, select a password and confirm it and all of that, or simply log in using your Google account. And when you're done with that, Shopify grants playing with a basic empty storefront, navigating their dashboard, exploring core features, and generally playing around with the platform 100% free for 3 days. So it serves as a kind of opportunity to explore with the platform, but it's not really enough to get anything done. Now, after the 3 days are done, you will then be prompted to get one of the Shopify memberships, and the pricing for the memberships starts with the starter plan at $5 per month all the way up to $2,000 per month for Shopify Plus. However, for the basic, Shopify, advanced, starter and retail plans, you can leverage Shopify's exclusive extended 90-day trial for only $1 total payment per month so that you can prolong your evaluation or your store development so that you can examine the platform properly. And of course, this grants you 10 times the standard preview duration to sell online, test marketing campaigns, or perfect the site themes while only placing $1 investment. So it is an incredible opportunity to get started without notable capital requirements upfront. Now, quick note that Shopify could end this offer at any given time, so go ahead and grab it before it's too late. You will find a link in our description box down below that will take you to that page right away, so that you can get started with your 3-month trial for only $1 a month investment. Now, when initially selecting pricing levels during the sign up for trials, or even when you want to commit longer term, it's very important to accurately evaluate features against both current requirements and likely future operational needs as store revenues or workload volume scales up. Now, essentially, Shopify offers 3 core pricing plans with functionality and capabilities aligning to how businesses scale up. You've got the basic Shopify, which allows you to get 2 staff accounts, basic sales reports, and 2% transaction fees. Now, this plan goes for $32 per month. If you sign up annually, you will obviously have to pay less dollars per month, and you would end up saving 25% yearly. The Shopify plan for small businesses starts at $92 per month, and what's included is that you can get professional reports, up to 1,000 inventory locations, 5 staff accounts, and the transaction fees are lowered to 1.5%. And finally, we've got the advanced membership for medium to large businesses starting at $399 per month. You would have your own custom report builder for more detailed analytics and calculations, up to 1,000 inventory locations and 15 staff accounts. Additionally, the transaction fees are lowered to 1%. So for small businesses or stores just getting started, the transaction fees does not really mean that much if you're not getting that many volumes or orders in. But of course, it starts to matter as you scale up and get those thousands or tens of thousands of orders monthly. So depending on team size, tool necessity, or analytics/reporting, plans range from basic to advanced. However, when initially getting off the ground, I generally recommend most owners start testing with the basic Shopify tier and then upgrading as you see fit. And either way, you can always change packages seamlessly down the road. So there's nothing to worry about if you started with the advanced plan and then a month or 2 after you went back to the basic one. And of course, after getting any kind of plan, you will be able to select a theme for your store, add products, and collect payments if you made any orders within your trial period. So it's not like a limited feature kind of trial. You will be equipped with everything that you need and more for getting started with e-commerce or dropshipping. And that will be a wrap on today's video. Thanks so much for watching. Let us know if you have any other questions in the comment section down below. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then give it a thumbs up, and see you guys in the next one.